Whoa, that actually looks realistic.
Yeah. And now I can zoom in a little bit. And you gotta make him focus out there.
Okay.
See, that looks real. Okay, he needs a little more gas. I'll film just like this. Like I'm a person next to the tracks.
Whoa, that looks so real.
Yeah, doesn't it? That looks so much more real than like this.
Scott?
Yes.
Got almost every color that I want. Still. Ooh. Look, here. Look. What? Look. Ah, I got the work.
So it gets more electricity?
You said they're gonna crash?
No. Eventually, the freight train will probably catch up to the passenger train. But for right now, the layout's big enough they can each go separately. I think the Union Pacific better hurry up because he's going to get hit by the Southern. They're going to meet in downtown Oregon City.
Does this normally happen?
Used to. Yeah, the Amtrak, it meets freight trains.
Well, it used to.
Yeah.
It doesn't anymore?
Now, these trains don't run anymore.
When are they going to crash?
It would take a long time for them to crash. Okay, are you ready to paint?